Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the amphoteric oxide, and this is very simple and important topic, and questions from this topic comes very frequently in competitive exam, and the questions are very simple. So first of all we discuss about the definition. So what are amphoteric oxide and what are their reactions? So how to define amphoteric oxide? It is an oxide that reacts with both acids and as well as bases, and they form salt and water. You can remember this point. Amphoteric oxide reacts both with acids as well as bases, and they form salt and water. And what it means that it shows both acidic and basic behavior, so it depends on the what it reacts with. Or another simple definition is that amphoteric oxide is a metal oxide that can react with both acid as well as bases. So what are the examples of amphoteric oxide? That are vanadium oxide, chromium oxide, zinc oxide, aluminium oxide, and so on. And if you have to discuss about the amphoteric metals, then these are vanadium, chromium, zinc, aluminium. These are the metals, they form amphoteric oxides. Okay, so how can you remember these amphoteric oxide? You just remember this mnemonic trick, that is very clear zebras always sit playing ball. You have to take first letter of every word, that is from very you have to take capital V, and from clear you have to take chromium. Same, you have to take the first letter of every word, and you can easily remember the amphoteric metals. Okay, so vanadium, chromium, zinc, aluminium, tin, lead, and beryllium. Mainly the oxides are formed from these metals, and you can remember these metals by this mnemonic trick. And then after that we discuss general reactions of amphoteric oxide. We take aluminium oxide, that is amphoteric oxide, and when we react this aluminium oxide with acid, then this oxide is acts as a base, means aluminium oxide is here a base and HCl is a acid, and it will form aluminium chloride and also release water. You have to remember this from the definition, that when amphoteric oxide react with acids as well as bases, they form salt and water. And when aluminium oxide react with base, that is sodium hydroxide, and it will give us a sodium aluminate, or we say sodium tetrahydroxoaluminate. So you have to remember this, and you can easily solve the questions from this topic. That's all for today.